In the forest's hidden floor, a silent army marches with precision, the ants. Each one can carry 50 times its own body weight, nature's strongest workers. Using invisible trails, they speak in chemical codes, guiding the colony. Yet when colonies meet, they wage fierce wars for territory and survival. But sometimes, a deadly fungus seizes control, turning them into mindless zombies. Together, they build supercolonies, vast empires spanning beyond human imagination. The ants, tiny, powerful, and unstoppable. The unseen architects of nature,